What are voice systems used for? Choose 3. Option A. To provide internal communication within the business without incurring any carrier or network charges. Option B. To ensure security of the transmitted data over unsecured infrastructure. Option C. To offer enhanced features, such as voicemail services, functionality such as conferencing, and productivity gains to the users. Option D. To aggregate outgoing calls to the public network. The correct answer is option A, C, D. Which technology is used in video conferencing? Option A. Digital compression of audio and video streams in real time. Option B. Dual-mode handsets, SIP-compatible PBXs, and a VoVLAN-ready enterprise-wide VLAN. Option C. XCON, Centralized Conferencing Working Group. Option D. Gateway Systems. The correct answer is option A. What is a DECT? Option A. A simple two-wire connection to standard telephones. Option B. A connection onto the customer's LAN to provide the interface for LAN-connected telephones. Option C. A standard for digital cordless telephones that provides telephone connection up to 100 meters from a base station. Option D. A simple telephone handset that typically does not include a display and any enhanced functions. The correct answer is option C. Which application answers calls and allows the caller to select from a list of options to route their call to the right department? Option A. RAD. Option B. Voicemail. Option C. Auto attendant. Option D. Call accounting, call logging. The correct answer is option C.